Let's talk a bit about the tools. For all those who have been asking if you should be learning After Effects or Lottie, here's the answer. They aren't unrelated. You always create the animation using Adobe After Effects, which of course is the industry standard for pro-level animations. And instead of exporting it in the regular way, which After Effects provides, you do it using a special plugin called the LottieFiles. That's it. That's about it. So whatever you create in After Effects gets converted into lines of code using that LottieFiles plugin, which is just a one click away, by the way. And then the final output that you have is not a video, it's not a GIF, but it's a file which we call as Lottie, which is something that you hand over to your developer so that they can take it ahead. So yes, the important things are After Effects, that is this tool, along with the LottieFiles plugin installed. You can download the LottieFiles plugin for free from the website of LottieFiles.com. I will leave the link, LottieFiles.com/plugins/after-effects. And I'll show you in a bit how to install it. So these two are the must-have tools if you want to create animations and then export it into Lottie, After Effects, along with the LottieFiles plugin. Of course, there are a few other tools as well, which is good to have, which could be the regular tools that you use for your day-to-day work. In my case, that's Figma. I heavily use Figma for designing the UI of the products that I work for. You can design a lot of things in Figma and then you can pass on the assets to After Effects, animate them, and then export using Lottie. Similarly, Adobe Illustrator as well, which is of course the gold standard for creating illustrations in the industry. So if you're an illustrator and you design icons or various other scenes and you want to include a bit of animation, you can always pass on the assets from Illustrator to Adobe After Effects, and then you can animate and export them using Lottie. Now, if you're not a hardcore animator and you still want to use a bit of animations in your work, worry not. In the website of LottieFiles, you will find a lot of animations which have been created by designers all over the world, and many of them are also provided for free. So all that you need to do is just browse and download and use them. That's about it. You can also search for things that you're looking at and you can find them and use them for your need. So again, to sum up, if you're a creator of animation, After Effects and the plugin is all you need. And if you want to learn how to animate using After Effects, I have a masterclass on my YouTube channel, so you might want to follow that.